Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching for the first time, hi, I'm Rohita Sen. I've created this look which is perfect for New Year's Eve. If you want to know how I achieved this perfect flawless look, let's start with the video. For moisturizing my skin, I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Emulsion. You can use any other moisturizer you have. For priming my face today, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. For concealing the under eye area, I'm using two shades of concealer. One concealer is a little bit lighter than my skin tone and the second one is tad darker than my skin tone. The darker one has an orange tint in it and it will help in reducing any pigmentation under my eye area. For today's foundation, I am using the Lakme Invisible Foundation. It has a SPF of 8. I am in the shade 04. It is a 25 ml product which retails for 280 rupees, which makes it really inexpensive. Starting with the eye makeup, I am using the Revolution Mini Palette. For the brown shade, it's a chocolate brown shade which I will be using over my crease line. Before you start applying your eyeshadow, make sure you have no creases over your eyelid space. If you have any creases, dab any beauty blender over it and then start applying your eyeshadow. I will be deepening my outer V with a darker shade of brown. For that, I am using the You Can Be Exotic Flavors eyeshadow palette. I will be applying this darker shade of brown on my outer V, also blending it with the eyeshadow I have already applied. We are done with the basic eyeshadow. Now let's transform this into a sparkling goddess for the New Year's Eve. I am using a concealer shade which is 3 shades lighter than my actual skin tone. I will be applying it only till the middle of my eyeball. Whenever you are doing a half cut crease or a full cut crease, don't drag the concealer, dab it till the area where you want your eyeshadow to be concealed and you want to create that cut crease or a half cut crease look. We are done with one eye, let's do the other. I am taking a red eyeshadow to be applied over the area we have already concealed. For getting more pigmentation out of your eyeshadow, just dab the color over your concealed area and don't try to blend it or drag it till the area you have already concealed. I felt like my outer V has got a little lighter, so I will be using the same dark brown shade and deepening it further. For the glitter, I am using this orange yellow tinted glitter. This is a pressed glitter, but you can also use any loose glitter for the same. I will be applying this glitter over my middle of the eyeball and extending it a little on the inner side. For the inner lid space, I am using this golden pressed glitter. Applying lighter shade of shimmer on the inner lid space will make your eyes look more brighter, opened up, and will also give an illusion of bigger eyes. For the lower lash line, I am using a light brown shade and blending with a precise round brush. I have really small eyes and I want my eyes to look a little more big. For that, I am using this Skin Color Kohl from PAC Cosmetics. For the eyeliner, I am using this black sketch eyeliner from e.l.f. Cosmetics. To finish up this sparkling goddess eye look, I am using a mascara from Sugar Cosmetics. If you want to apply falsies, you can do that. It will make the eye look more dramatic. For the lip color, I am using this Color Bar lip stain in the shade Trendsetter. For that rosy cheeks, I am using the blush from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Coral Climax. How can we skip the step of highlighting this diva? I am using the highlighter from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Gold Glory. With the highlighting, we are done with the New Year's Eve look. I hope you loved and enjoyed this look as much as I did, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button below and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, see you all. Happy New Year!